sucks.
You got a chemical guy's bucket though.
Chemical guys is better than that.
Well, yeah, people are gonna think you have you're using chemical guys. Yeah.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. This is gonna be a little different than what we said we were gonna do. This is gonna be a unboxing slash review slash detailing of the FRS. We were at Home Depot one day and this caught my eye. It's Makita 18-volt LXT blower, tool only. Yeah, it kind of sucks, tool only. So it caught my eye because we do a lot of washing, detailing the cars ourselves, and when you're done, I always like to use a leaf blower to get in between, you know, the window trim, the wheels, to get all the water out, and everything is, you know, big. So I saw this thing looks small. I haven't opened it, but it looks small, and this is definitely something we could take when we travel. You throw this in the trunk of any car or in the back of the truck, and this thing takes no room. Like I said, I haven't seen it. I've been eager to open it, but we thought it was a good idea to do a video of it and get my opinion. And since I like small tools, well, I like tools that, you know, are compact and work good. So this here, it says it's 219 miles per hour for fast cleanups, which, you know, we're gonna see how that works. The only thing is that the tool is, I have the receipt. The tool only is $99, which is not too bad if you have other Makita power tools, but I don't. I have Milwaukee. I have a couple impacts from Milwaukee, so I had to buy the kit, the battery charger kit, which that was $149. So I'm putting that to charge right now, so that's why there's nothing in here. It's the battery and charger. So yeah, I'm gonna detail the car and then we'll open it up and go from there. Stay tuned. All right, so now we're gonna unbox it and see what we need to do to put it together. Now the YouTubers have like professional knives or custom knives. I need my knife. Well, I waited like a week to do this. So, oh shit. Poster. Pretty much is showing you that you could give your life away for tools. manual, I guess. I think it's small. Small. It's pretty cool. Looks like a little turbo. Well, I guess let's get detailing on the FRS. Nothing much to do but a quick put and turn. Feels pretty good. So the battery's charging. I see there's 3 little levels. So let's get the FRS detailed and see how it works. Also, thanks babe for buying me this. My girl bought me this, so shout out to babe. All right, let's go detail the FRS. All right, time to check it out. See how it works. See if it's worth it. So, as you can see, the blower's pretty good. Of course, this doesn't dry the car completely. Ignore the dog. Yes, it makes a good drying. To dry off the cars is easier. Of course, it doesn't get everything off, but it keeps you from using a whole bunch of microfibers or chamois to dry the car. So with this, you could hit it, get a lot of water off. I like it as rubber, so even if you accidentally hit against the the paint, it won't scratch it. But overall, 250 bucks. I think it's worth it. You could definitely take it with you everywhere, use it around the house. But I'm going to be using it for detailing. Of course, this wasn't the best detailing. We just wanted to wash the car and get the Makita blower tested. I like it. I would recommend it. Makes a good tool for house, cars, and crazy dogs. Yeah. Alright guys, so thank you for staying tuned and watching the video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you guys got any suggestions, leave a comment down below. Check it out. Hopefully we could get back into our regular content. Like I said, this was a little bit different, but I was really excited about this tool. So thank you guys. See ya.